Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working with Alipearl hair. I'm just opening up the packaging and there will be the wig inside along with some goodies. They sent me a 22-inch, 180 density Kinky straight U-part wig, and this is it straight out of the packaging. It was very soft. I didn't get any tangling or shedding. It's the wig construction. It's your usual U part. It has 3 combs in the top, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Alright, so let's get into this install. So I'm going to go ahead and press out 1/2 of the wig. I'm going to go in with this freeze serum just to put a little bit on there to help with flat ironing it. So here you can see the difference of the two, one pass with the flat iron and how it just comes. So it does straighten really good. So now you can see the difference between the kinky texture in its regular state and if you were to silk it out a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do not judge my hair. This is some old braids from the last V part that I did. But as you just saw, I did one side, I straightened one side and I left this side kinky just so you can see the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I am going to cut the band. So this is the final look. It is so full. I love the thickness of it. Of course, Kinky Straight gives you that thickness in your straight hair. It blends so good with my natural hair. And it's very lightweight, so lightweight. Like, I'm loving it. But yeah, make sure you check the description box down below for all the information on this wig. The link will be below for you to purchase your own. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for the final look.